we can download any YouTube video in our laptop or computer. Okay, so I will show you exactly very simple steps we need. Okay, for example, we are now in YouTube homepage. Just go to YouTube homepage and any video just select. For example, this video I will download, so just share, go to share, I mean 3 dot, then share, and you just copy the video link. Okay, after copy the video link, go to Google and search YouTube video download. You will see lots of website, but I always prefer, I mean, this website. Okay, I mean, yeah, this website, app.eu to download. Okay, let's zoom. Okay, this one. Okay, and these are also good, but I suggest this one's YouTube downloader, app.yt download. You can see, so just open these sites. Okay, you can see app.yt download.to. okay, and then paste the link, click download. Okay, after a few seconds it's came. Okay, so just click on the, you can also select like the resolution, I mean HD. Okay, like ASD, which quality or quantity. I mean, if your storage have low, then I think you can download, I mean, the lower storage quality. Okay, for example 120. Okay, and here also the preview of the video. This is also, you can download the MP3, I mean audio file. So I mean, this is the only like for download in your computer. Okay, I mean SD card or memory. Okay, but it's not in like in YouTube gallery. Okay, so for example, if you download on your YouTube download, just go to video, just click the video. Okay, wait, and you can click on this download option. But if you download in here,
last month alone I made a little over 500.
You will only get this video in your YouTube gallery. Okay, in your YouTube profile, but it's not in your external hard disk or in your computer. So I suggest you just download from this website. Okay, and you will a lifetime you will get this video. Okay, I mean, if like the creator, I mean the video owner, delete this video, but this video will have in your computer or in your local disk, I mean for educational purpose of in future, after a few years or like in few months, if you want the video, you will just directly go to your computer, then download, sorry, then see the video videos, because it's helpful for educational. Okay, so prefer always these ones. And because from YouTube download, I see lots of YouTubers are showing, but this is not they are showing. So just click on start. Okay, and your media is currently wait for it needs some, I mean few minutes. Okay, no, it's a few seconds need. The percentage is completing. Wait, we can see this is very helpful for everyone. Okay, 100% done. Now we will click the download and it will automatically downloading in your computer. Okay, so you can lifetime you can save in your computer this video. Okay, if this video owner delete his video from his channel at least. Okay, also you have this video in your computer. So my friend, this is very helpful. And just see this website. Okay, see, this website is very helpful. Okay, after download we will see the video in our computer. All right, 90% almost done, and we are waiting. Okay guys, done. So download complete. We will go to our folder in this icon. Just click on this icon, and we will see that this video is in our download folder. Okay, just click the video. Okay, you can see again, this is
last month alone I made a little over 500,000.
This is the process, guys, and it's simple, and it's very helpful. And always I thanks to the YouTubers who made this video or any videos, and they also permitted for the download. Okay, so this is the process, and thank you so much guys.